All right, I'm live. All right, so I thought I'd just go over really quick TA and just take a look at coins since we're now in an uptrend. Let's start with Bitcoin. So as you can see here, we have a lot of levels of resistance up ahead. This move is honestly not very convincing. I hate to say it because I am a bull, but if you look at this compared to when we came out of this, it's very different, right? It's very powerful. Increase in volume. This volume has increased. This move is powerful. It's like 16%, and then within only a period of 7 days, it's gone up 35%. Here, you have a move that just barely broke out, 7%, and then 12%, and now we're at 13% in 7 days. So you can see that there's a very big difference when it comes to the amount of volume and power. You can see we're having a decrease in volume. So that's actually not a good thing when you look at Bitcoin. Now, we do have a lot of levels of resistance ahead. Here's the CC, as I always mention. From this drop high to the low, we have a CC here on the 4 hourly. This is a double confluence. Then we got a weekly level here, which is a level of resistance. And then we have a very powerful resistance up here at 58,000. And this is actually the larger term time frame CC. So if we take a fib pull from this top to this low, you can see here this is a CC right here. And so this is a very, the first and the third are very strong resistances. It's possible that we just reject from the first level and drop, or we go to the third level and then drop. I will be probably DCAing out, dollar cost averaging out, on the first level, second level, and third level of resistance, and just really go from there. If I see us claim this and start making our way up, I'll probably put my money back in. I may lose some, on the way of going back in, but I just got to be safe just because, it's clear that there's these levels of resistance. So if we take a look at sushi, sushi has been one that has been down in the dumps for a very long time. This was an easy, in my opinion, what is this, 100% gain? From the low to where we're at, it's like 100%. This was so oversold, it wasn't even funny. And we could just be making one gigantic wedge going on here. I have no idea, but, we could have something like this going on where we come back, hit this, and drop for some time before coming back up. Could be something like this, hit this powerful resistance, come all the way back down in February, March, finally start making our way up. April, hit that resistance and claim up from there. That's a possibility, but who knows what will happen. So we do have a global CC here, so you can expect this to be a heavy level of resistance, but looks like it might have been barely missed front run right here. Either way, sushi is gone to me. It's coming up into resistance very soon, so I'd avoid. Moon River, very hyped coin. Some big fat volume right there. Wow, a lot of volume came in here. Watch this value area low. This area here is where a lot of volume. So I'd say it'd be a moonshot to $287. Probably a decently easy trade. But I would wait for some kind of drop. I mean, hopefully there's some kind of retrace, at least barely. But this is not too hard of a trade in my opinion, 30%. Even if I was, impatient and wanted to just go for it now, is a bad risk to reward ratio. I wouldn't do it. I might even do something more like this, below the point of control. Really, with this kind of move, like, you could tighten that stop loss up. But yeah, Moonriver is a very bullish coin. The graph has kind of been ignored. Honestly, I think in crypto, it's not really, you shouldn't really be investing into these types of coins like Chainlink and the graph. I'm sorry if you're bullish on it, but I just don't care for it. If we're in a bull run, sure, this is going to run just like any other coin. It's just not really my type of thing. Cardano, I've been screaming to buy for some time now. It was an easy buy. We were on support right here. This is a very strong support level too. My TA is very old on Cardano, so it probably needs to be redone. But we've just been so oversold on this thing. It's been nuts. We were hanging on support here at $1.18. I posted this on my Discord that this was a good buy. And we're now moving. First level of resistance would be the lower of this speed fan, as well as the monthly level resistance at $1.70. But look, this would have been like what, a 40% pump from the lows if you had cut the lows. No, 39%. 30%. So a super easy win right here. Hello. VOR and ONG. I don't even know what those are. I know what ONG is, but don't know what VOR is. Anyway, DOT was an easy one as well. I actually bought at like $28. I mentioned this in my Discord. I was like, hey, you know, blockchains are what I would be putting my money into. We have a naked point of control that was never hit. That's a little bit weird. Honestly, it's really weird. I'm surprised we didn't come down and touch this. Anyway, resistance-wise for DOT, yeah, it'd probably be a very easy sell if we ever come up to this $44 mark. I would just dump all my DOT right there really quickly. Easy sell. No hesitation. Just sell it. Watch it maybe come back to this monthly level, which is a drop of 15%, and then rebuy here. This is an easy win. If I'm still holding my DOT, then I'll go ahead and sell it there. That's a nice 30% pump. Atom is a blockchain. As I mentioned, all blockchains are an easy win. But yeah, I wouldn't be buying Atom. The time is over. That's already pumped by a lot. AVAX, I actually feel like maybe we reject from this monthly and then just buy, or wait what happens with Bitcoin. Luna, I have no prediction there. I knew this was wave 3. It actually went beyond my wave 3, what I had mapped out, and then wave 4, I think I guessed here, I don't know why, and continue on to wave 5. My massage has arrived, so I'll quickly look at OGN, ONG. Yeah. Probably gonna take me too long to chart this out. Let's see if I can do it fast. I mean, I don't know what these really big wicks are. That's super weird to me, so I'm not going to go by the wicks. I'm going to go by this. Ontology gas. I would say, look, we bounced on the CC. We're still close to the CC. We have weekly level here. You know, if you really like the coin, why not? Like, seems like a decent time to buy to me. Again, I'm not sure what all this wick nonsense is. This is super weird. Not sure if this is bots or what. These are some strong wicks. But yeah, this would have been a really easy place to buy and see a bounce. And it's still so close to support that, you know, maybe you set your stop loss right here. So something like this. And your stop loss is way right there. I would definitely do it to up here. This is an easy 5-to-1 risk, 5-to-2.1 risk ratio, 45% gains. If you understand this coin, sure, get into it. In my opinion, everything fundamentally will win in crypto. I know that some people are always like, oh, it's all about technicals. To me, in my experience, it's been fundamentals. When I look at coins like Luna, that's one of the coins that went really well, and it was because fundamentally I believed in it. Same with AVAX. They've probably performed the best this mini bull run that we've had, whereas everything else, which I tried and didn't like, didn't work out so well. I'm going to take a quick look at SLP just before I stop, but I have an alarm set to sell my Scholar stuff up here. I'm not sure why I set that there, but this is such a dead... To me, Axie's going to nothing. If you were an AXS, I would just sell that junk now. Don't even mess with it. Like, this is not a good project. It's not a good coin. Its golden era is over, and this is definitely going to dump. This is also a 5-wave Elliott wave theory. Is a very easy sell. You got your, and hopefully I'm not saying this wrong, but wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Wave 1 is not allowed to go into the territory of wave 4, but technically a wick is okay, so this is the real count. And it's over. Now you're looking for a corrective wave, and watch that wave be to oblivion, more like A, B, C, D. Oops. There's different corrective waves. I haven't learned them all, but either way, I just think this coin is going to nothing. I never would recommend it. Link, I know people are very bullish on. I'm not bullish on it at all. We're at resistance right now anyway. This is old data right here. This needs to be something more like this. If I had Link, I would sell some now, and I'd sell some right here, and just see what happens from that. Anyway, thank you guys. What do I think about Sidus Hero for the long term? I think it'll do well. I don't like the game myself, but I think it'll do well. Cool, thanks for watching, guys.